If you want to pass your driving test and earn your driver's license, comfort and efficiency with parallel parking is paramount. This video will break down the parallel parking process into 5 simple parts. Watch this video over and over again if you have to. The 5 steps include the approach, wheel to right, wheel to center, wheel to left, and exiting properly. In its most basic form, parallel parking is simply parking between 2 cars that are already parked at the side of a road. On your driving test, orange cones will serve as placeholders. A decent parallel parking job will look something like this. So how do we do this? We start with the approach. When you see your desired parking spot, you must first turn on your right turn signal to communicate that you intend to park there. Then, drive past the desired spot until you are neck and neck with the car in front of your desired spot. Glance back and notice there are 3 orange cones. The third cone, the one against the sidewalk, represents the front right headlight of the car that is already parallel parked behind you. Then, shift into reverse, hold the brake down, and turn your steering wheel all the way to the right and hold it in place. Drive back slowly, keeping an eye on the driver's side mirror. Stop when you spot that third cone in the center of the driver's side mirror. Here's what this movement looks like from the outside. Notice that the right turn signal is on and the tires are angled, placing the car into the correct position. Next, turn your steering wheel back 1 full turn until your tires are centered. Drive straight back until the cone nearest to you is lined up near your front right tire. This cone represents the back bumper of the car that is already parallel parked in front of you. The 4th step is to turn your steering wheel all the way to the left and slowly drive backward into the spot. Go slowly so that you don't hit the car or cone behind you. Also, you want to be close to the sidewalk but not pressed up against it. Here's a view from the front. When you're in the spot, center the car by driving forward a bit and adjusting the steering. You want an equal amount of space between the car in front of you and the car behind you. When you practice, pretend that the cars are there, they're just invisible. Make sure the steering wheel is straight when you put the car in park. The 5th and final step of the parallel parking process is to exit properly. This means turning on your left blinkers so that the moving cars on the road can stop and allow you to exit the parking spot safely. Back up slowly with the steering wheel turned slightly to the right. This will give you enough room to drive away without hitting any parked cars. Then, put the car in drive, look to the left to make sure nobody is in your blind spot. Make sure you have enough room to exit and exit the spot slowly. Thank you for watching this parallel parking video. Do these parallel parking steps make sense? Did you learn a different method for parallel parking? Comment below. Also, be sure to click that like button and subscribe for more driver's education information, as well as other videos from JPES Talks. Drive safely!